This video shows how to buy shares of Leishen Energy Holding County Limited, a company in the energy sector trading on NASDAQ under the ticker LSE. This is an educational guide and not financial advice. You need a broker to buy shares, and I'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you will need to verify your account, typically with an ID, and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search and type the ticker LSE to locate Leishen Energy on the exchange. Confirm the company name and listing to ensure you have the correct stock. Open the stock page to review basic company information and the price chart for context. Verify the company name and ticker on the page to confirm it is the right asset. Tap Invest or Buy. Enter the amount you want to invest, then review the order details and confirm the transaction. If the market is closed, the order may be queued for the next session. And if your funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After the order executes, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A link to eToro is in the description if you want to visit the platform.